spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce, Filipino style. Aray. Ouch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Pinay FoodtriP. And today in this video, we're going to cook a Filipino style spaghetti sauce. We're gonna need a Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And of course, the meat, the ground beef. And hot dogs, product from the Philippines. Bell pepper, chopped onions, and tomato sauce. And our special banana ketchup from the Philippines. Salt and pepper. Heat the pan for about medium-low heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, and when it's ready, let's cook the ground beef. Cook the ground beef for 5 minutes. When it's cooked, let's add the garlic. Now let's add the chopped onions. Add the bell peppers. Now let's add the hot dogs. And let's cook it for 5 minutes. So I add regular tomato sauce here just to balance the taste of the sauce. So finally, I'm adding the tomato sauce Filipino style. So let's cook it for about 5 minutes. Yan, malapit na maluto, but may kulang pa. So now let's add the banana ketchup for more sweet taste. Now I'm adding a little bit of cheese. Now let's add the black pepper and salt to taste. Now I'm adding all-purpose cream. Almost done, guys. I'm excited to eat. Now it's done, my Filipino style spaghetti. Hope you guys enjoy, and please follow my Instagram at Pinay FoodtriP. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye-bye!